So this is a 2006 Bentley Continental GT down here at Rocky Mountain Customs. Right now we're working on doing a little bit of that chrome wrap. Sharif's working on getting it cut in. As you can see, we're in the process of dismantling. We make sure that we dismantle every vehicle as far down as possible so we can make sure that there's never any edges or any lines that you can see. We want to make sure that each and every one of our wraps gets mistaken for a paint job because it's that detailed. As you can see on this mirror, we've only wrapped the top half. The bottom half here is going to be a flat black. It's going to be like a satin black to match some of the black that's on this vehicle. It'll be real cool when it's done. We'll report back with another video.